Alright, back again. This is installation. This is just a mock-up of the ls1. The only problems I ran into when I put it in here is on the back side of this valve cover on the driver's side. I had to massage that a little bit. Then back here, I had to massage that also. As you can see, it's a really tight fit. Previously, there was a small block Chevy in here, and somebody had beat it in a little bit, but I call it massaging. I'll get a little dolly on the other side and make it a little smoother. As you can see, there's some clearance here by the driver's side. Should be able to put a little shorty header on there. Just tried a GTO manifold, doesn't work.